Hello friends, welcome to the channel Technical Knowledge with Engineers. In this video, we will see about corrosion. So what is a corrosion? As we all know, corrosion is a rusting. What is the process behind the corrosion? Corrosion, corrosion is a natural process in which pure metal except noble metals is converted into chemically stable compounds like oxides, sulfide, hydroxides, carbonates, etc. Simply we can say corrosion is the process of a slow but a continuous decay of a metal by the attack of a surrounding. In this you can see metal react with the environment in environments such as air, gas or a salt water, or we can take non-metals react with the metal and it get corroded. The most common corrosion, as we all know, is a rusting of a iron. And in this picture we can see that a car, industrial pipe, handle, boards, panels, speakers, screws are corroded. Theories of a corrosion. There are two main types of theories of a corrosion. First is a direct chemical attack theory, which can be called as a dry or a chemical corrosion, and second is electrochemical theory that can be called as wet or electrochemical corrosion. First, dry corrosion. Direct chemical attack action of atmospheric gases such as oxygen, halogen, H2S, SO2, nitrogen with metals, resulting into the formation of compounds such as oxides, halides, sulfates, is called as a dry corrosion. And second, wet corrosion is occurs mostly under the moist condition through the formation of an electrochemical cell. Wet corrosion refers to the degradation or a rust formation on a metal surface that occurs due to the generation of the reactive electrochemical cell. Wet corrosion can damage metal structure and equipment including stainless steel. Dry corrosion with Dry corrosion is a type of a corrosion that occurs without moisture or a water, which are the main drives of the conversional type of a corrosion. In this, they are further classified into two types: oxidation corrosion and second is a corrosion by the other gases. We will see in detail about oxidation corrosion. Oxidation is the loss of electrons during a reaction by a molecule, atom or an ion. And oxidation corrosion, in this corroded metal forms an oxide. It is brought about by the direct action of oxygen present in the atmosphere on a metals at low or a medium temperature in the absence of moisture to form metallic oxide. Alkali and alkaline earth metals are rapidly oxidized even at a low temperature. At a high temperature, almost all metals except gold, silver, platinum are attacked. The reaction occurring in the oxidation corrosion are as follow. As we can see that metal react and loses the electron, and oxygen react and gain electron and forms oxide ion. The total reaction is metal react with oxygen and forms metal oxide. In oxidation corrosion, the nature of the oxide films plays an important role. It may be stable, unstable and a volatile. First is a stable. In stable oxide film, a stable layer of a metal oxide is formed which is impervious, and this protects the metal from further corrosion. They are further classified into two. first is porous oxide, non-protective. If the volume of the oxide is less than the volume of the metal from which it is formed, the oxide film is non-protective or porous. Examples are lithium, sodium, potassium, calcium and magnesium. The second type is non-porous oxide, protective. If the volume of the oxide is equal or greater than the volume of metal which it is formed, it is protective or non-porous. Examples are aluminium and chromium. Second is unstable. Unstable, the oxide layer decomposes back to metal and oxygen. Metals and oxygen reacts and form metal oxide which is unstable, and further by some time it the bonds between them break down and it forms again metal and oxygen separately. Example is gold, silver, platinum. And in volatile, oxide layer evaporates as soon as it formed, then by the metal surface is exposed from the further attack. Example is molybdenum. This is all that we had covered in this video. We have seen corrosion, theories of a corrosion, dry corrosion, wet corrosion, and in detail about oxidation corrosion. Lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon if you want to make more knowledgeable videos. Thank you so much for watching.